What is up, my family? I am back with another video. So you know what that means. I am back with another banger. And today you're watching Life with Darcy. I'm Darcy. What's up, though? So I just turned 26. So that means I'm getting older. I'm not getting younger. My knees are already cracking. My elbow is aching. My back hurts. I'm sweating. When I can't stop. When I sit down, I go, ugh. So I know I'm getting older every day. This means is that I had to figure out a way to become more healthier. And what I learned in my 26 years is that health equals wealth. So with that being said, I'm gonna teach you how to make a small change in your diet to become more healthier so you can live a little bit longer. And I'm doing this by showing you how to make some garlic honey shrimp. Let that sizzle in your spirit. I said garlic honey shrimp. Now that sounds like a restaurant quality dish, and I made it at home. Let's go ahead and get straight to it because I know you're hungry, but hit that like button right now. Boom, you did it. Let's get to this video. First thing you're gonna do, gonna get some ingredients. We got honey, garlic, soy sauce, we got 100% grapeseed oil, and we got quinoa. Yeah, we got that big money. Then, after you get that stuff, put all your wet ingredients together. That's gonna be that soy sauce, that garlic, and that honey. Mix it up. Skirt, 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 skirt. Look at that wrist motion. Yeah. Wrist transition. Now, we're gonna take that wet ingredient mixture we just did, put that over some shrimp. You're supposed to have shrimp, my bad. But let that marinate for a little bit. Let it get into the juices, you feel me? Then, you're gonna take that little mixture that you just did with the wet ingredients and the shrimp. You can go ahead and swoosh it all up. Swoosh, swoosh, swoosh to make sure that it's evenly coated. You feel me? Don't do nothing not evenly. Transition. Now, you gotta take a knife, right? That looks like that. Might be stainless steel, might not. We bought it at Big Lots. Slice it with some broccoli. Take that same knife and go ahead and slice you up some green onions. You feel me? Yeah, those are green onions. Don't worry about it. These green onions. Put that on there too. Boom. Transition. Fire. Now you want to take a pot, cast iron if you got it, make it medium hot, you feel me? Put like at least 2 teaspoons of grapeseed oil in there. Yup, just like that. Make sure it's lubricated. Then you take your shrimps, you drop your shrimps into the pot, just like that. Cook them up for like 2 minutes. Don't overcook them. Quick little tip, if that your shrimp turns into like a hard C, like it's a crisp, you overcooked it. So make sure your shrimp is a little bit separated, because if they close to each other like a hard C, like a crib, you overcooked it, crib. So you're welcome. 2 minutes on both sides is all you need. Probably 1 if you want to get a little fancy. Transition, look at those shrimps. They not overcooked. And I put the seasoning, the wet seasoning, I put that on top of the shrimp with a little bit of flour because I messed up. Boom. Transition to the end plate. It's amazing. It's healthy. Look at those green onions dropping from the top. Oh my gosh. You're welcome. Eat. So good. Alright, so what you think about it?
So amazing. I had doubts because of the garlic sauce and all that stuff, but baby, when I tell you this is, what do they call it? Banging or slapping or whatever these young kids say these days, this is it. Like, y'all need to try this out.
It's a bop.
It's a bop.
So, I know you liked the video. I know it looks good. Hit the like button right now if you haven't already. But if you have, thank you for doing it. Watching Life with Darcy. I hope you learned something today. And I hope you make the dishes. Peace.